Hi everyone. So what I thought I would do today is just look at a new feature that Logseq has recently implemented, which is making it an even better note-taking tool, and even if that was possible, as it was so good already. So what this new feature does, it basically allows you to save your notes and your files locally on your machine, or you can even save them on Google Drive, OneDrive, or DropBox, or anything like that, so that then you can access the note through your various different machines. But it just allows you just to avoid the syncing via Github and things like that, and it just gives you a bit more control on your notes, and it makes it a truly local experience. So to get started, what we need to do is if we just go to logseq.com, and this is just the normal welcome page that we get, and you'll see on the top right hand corner we've got the login with GitHub, or we've got this open sign and with a folder. And if you hover over that, it does come up that this is an experimental feature. I've been using it for the past week and it's absolutely no problems. I've had no issues at all, and if anything I'm finding it even better than syncing with Logseq. And the experimental feature, I believe, will be shortly removed as the devs are happy with the process and the progress that's been made on it. So to get started, if we'll click on open, this will bring up File Explorer. So what we'll do, and this is just asking you where you want to save your notes. So what we shall do is we will just create a new folder here. Just call it test for and we'll just select folder. This will come up then that it wants to view your files. Basically how it works is it's through the index DB, so still nothing passes through the Logseq servers or anything. It's just done via Chrome or via Edge. And what we'll do is view files and we'll save changes. So now this will bring up a fresh page, and what we can do is we'll just put some text. That's just some text, and what we'll do is we'll create a new page. And so once we've put some more notes, so in a similar way as previously, so we just put some notes in here on the page, and now you can see that what we've got is this refresh button or this sync button. So what we'll do is we'll just click sync on that one just to make sure that it's synced to the with the local files, and we'll go to the new page, and what we'll do is we'll just put this new page and some more text. So we'll just do that. We'll just make sure that that's saved. So now what we can do is if we go to the File Explorer and we go to the location where they're saved. So we have the three standard folders, which is journals, Logseqs, and pages. So if we go to journal and we open that one, we've got today's journal. If I open that one, you can see this is the text that we typed in. So at least now, previously you'd have to go to GitHub, make sure that it was all there. Now I can just quickly go to my File Explorer, open the file. I can feel it, I can touch it, it's there. This is the text that we've just wrote. So it just makes it a truly local experience. So we can close this one here. And what we can also do is if we go back, go to pages and open the new page one, we can see here again, this is the text that we had wrote in the new page. And in a very similar way, what we can just keep doing that. If, for example, now we have new page one, just create a new page one. Open that. And just make sure that that's synced. So now if I go here, you can see it's already created the new page one. I'll open that, and it's already here. So it just makes it so much easier. You've got access to your files in a much cleaner and easier way. And as I say, you can save these, you can save the location of the folder on Google Drive, which is the one I use, and you can open it through various different machines, and it syncs very quickly and very easily. So a cool thing that we can also do is as we're on new page one, if I open the file, and I just put as in Notepad, and I put test from Notepad, and I save that, close, and now refresh. It's put the text that we wrote from Notepad into Logseq, so it just makes it even better way that now you can just start typing your text wherever you wish. I just find that such an easy thing, so I can just make sure that now if I go to this date, I can find the file, see where it is, make sure it's there, make sure I'm happy with it. It just gives me more control, which I think is a great addition from the team. So I should just add that, as you may have seen, I clicked the refresh button. This was just to speed things up. You don't actually need to do it, because for example, if I do some more text, and we'll just indent that and put new page 123 as an example. And we can do some more text. And now what we can do is if I open this page, and we'll just do new page example. And go back home. If I now go here to the directory, refresh that, journals, open that, you can see it's added it in already. It's more a force of habit, clicking the refresh button. So you can see it's added in here. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks very much for watching.